Hello, hello, hello! At isa pang hello. It's time to tugtik. Matulog na tayo. Time checked. It's 11:20. 11:20 in the evening. Katulog ang ilong. Ay, it's time to say good night. Good night. See you tomorrow. So tight. Charot. With my babies. Good night, good night, good night, good night. Tapos na pa isa pa nga mag-hi. Ay, mag-hi dali Semester little astronaut. Yan naghatag o wonderful light tonight. Tonight's Esling. Patayin natin ang show that. Oh, nice kayo, no? Maratag nasa galactic. Galactic, natas galaxy. Charot. Maratag nasa or natas tabing dagat. Sayo nga. Sapatos lang ang suot. Charot. Ay, mo din ako ang room. I'll show you my room, guys. Turn on the muna. Ako kaya akong room. Ako ra isa diri. Nandara ko ang pampering myself. Na ako'y little sofa. Akong little cabinet. And my luggages down there. Naka snacks. Intercom. Ako nasa hotel. Okay, TV. Aircon. Charing-charing. Mura ko guan. Living like a queen in my own room. Okay, painting sa babaw with my babies over here. Charing. Pinky kaya kung bedsheets. Yan lang. Naka-lampshade. Naka-green living things here. Oh, charing. O, diba? Yan lang. Marami kalipay na to. Okay, marag-hugger na kitag nung mag-sleeping beauty na ito. Pero na beauty. Oh my God. So that's all for today. Good night. Signing off.